Hey everybody, we're going to be wrapping the Dodge Challenger in a black carbon fiber today. Today we're going to be doing the hood. As you can see, I'm underneath the tent because, yeah, it's going to rain. First thing I'm going to have to do is pop out the hood scoops by taking off the firewall. Got myself set up over here. If you can see it, let's get it in focus. But yeah, Challenger's getting wrapped in black carbon fiber today. Alright, so I got the edges all wrapped nice and neat. What I was protecting from is making sure that I can't cut into my paint whenever I go to cut the wrap after it's been applied. As you can see, I put it around all the edges. I won't need one back here simply because it doesn't touch paint. When I do go to cut, I'm going to have to make sure that I'm careful from nicking into my wiper blades, but what I'll do is I will lift up on the vinyl, keep it tight and tensioned so that I don't cut into the wiper blades. What I used today was Edge Lock multi-surface, if you can see that. This is by 3M. 3M's a great brand for vinyl also. Alright, here's where things get fun. I just cut the vinyl. You can see carbon fiber. This thing is going to look absolutely sick. So next I gotta take the air compressor and blow everything off, making sure that when I cut the vinyl that the paper from the backing paper didn't leave any little paper shreds anywhere. As you can see right here, this is a protective film that I'm going to be peeling off of the vinyl before I get ready to squeegee. Now that I know everything's clean, I'm going to go ahead and get to work, make sure everything's lined up perfectly. I'll be taking it from the far edge there, peeling it off while it's on the car. All you're doing is peeling this back. And it comes off very easily, and it looks much, much better. And from what I've noticed, it's actually a little bit easier to squeegee after you've taken this off. Take my magnet off, put it back on, get the rest of this taken off. Use this magnet. Boom. Spread it out again. So on this car, the hood is actually not magnetic. The fenders are, however, so that's why I have them off to the side on all four corners instead of on the hood. That everything gets on there. Very nice. Wrinkles are running this way, that means that I need to pull the vinyl towards me. Alright, let's take a look and see what the wrap looks like during the day. Last night I ended up finishing up after dark because I had a few things that came up. Wow. Get out of your light.